Hi guys!
Hi!
I'm Amy.
I'm Paige.
We were just discussing how long we've been doing hair and it's kind of crazy.
Yep, 20 years
20 years.
for me this month.
Oh my goodness, I've been doing hair a little less than that, but we're both Monat exclusive stylists. We've been using this in our salon and behind our chair for the past 2 years. We are completely blown away by the results that we've seen on our clients, and it's been nothing short of incredible of what we've seen. So today we're going to do a quick washing tutorial. When we were told like, oh, you know, Monat, you use it a different way or you wash a couple times or stuff, we're like, we're stylists, we don't need, in all reality, it's a little bit different and it's important to follow those instructions to the T so you can get the best results possible. All right, so I've already just pre-wet Paige's hair. She's got thick, long hair. I'm gonna use most of our hydrating products on her hair. So you're going to wet your hair really well in the shower. Get it really, really wet, wring it out just a bit. Okay, our shampoos, highly concentrated. Our products last on average 3 to 5 months, depending on how short or how long your hair is. A little goes a long way with Monat. So you're gonna use a nickel to quarter size amount, right? Put that in your hands, and most importantly, emulsify. Emulsify until your hands turn white, okay? Rub the product all over until your hands turn white. Now, when you are shampooing, you are focusing on your scalp. You're not grabbing the rest of your hair. You want to focus on the scalp. So I always take the products that are on my fingertips and I go around the hairline, behind the ears, and split your hair in the back and really focus on the scalp. You want a good amount of all the product all over your scalp. The products are, the first shampoo is removing the oil buildup, right? So you can go several days between washing, right? So when you shampoo, you want the products to stay on the scalp and let it do its thing. Let it remove the oils, remove the product buildup. If you've not used Monat, you've got silicone in your hair and you want it to remove all of that. Okay, so she's getting a little bit of a lather, but not a large amount of lather. I still have product on my hands. So again, focus on the scalp underneath. Here's a really big important area that people forget is this back area here. Really massage the product into your scalp. Okay, so she's getting a little bit of a lather, but not an overwhelming amount of lather. Let the product sit for 2 minutes before you rinse them. So once your hands are product free, you've put it all over your scalp, you've massaged it in, shave a leg. Scrub your shower tile walls, sit and relax. Let it sit for 2 minutes and then you're going to rinse. You're going to rinse really, really well. This is important. You do not want to leave any residual product on your hair. You want it all to come off. So rinse, rinse, rinse. Now, as you can tell in this process, you only put the product all over your scalp, but as you are rinsing it, the rest of the shampoo is running down your hair. Don't forget to rinse the back. Me personally, when I shower, I flip my head over in the shower to make sure that I have gotten that back section of my hair, behind my ears, shampoo really, really well, rinse really, really well. Again, another reason why the products last so long is, one, they're highly concentrated with incredible ingredients, and two, Monat will balance the pH of your scalp, therefore you will be able to go several days between washing. I didn't believe that until I started using the products. My clients, people with fine, oily hair, they're able to go 2 or 3 days. Thicker, drier hair, you're able to go 5, 6, 7 days. This one goes forever without washing. Okay, so you did your first shampoo, you got a little bit of a lather or maybe no lather at all. You rinsed out the product really, really well. No shampoo left on your head. The second time you can even use a little bit less than you did the first time, but a nickel to quarter size to dime size amount, depending on the thickness of your hair. Rub your hands together until you emulsify it and your hands are white. And then start at the scalp. So I do the fingertips around the hairline. Ladies, a lot of time our makeup gets really, caked in around here, so just make sure around the hairline you really get the product on your scalp. And then you part your hair again, still got plenty of product on the hand, and I rub in those back areas, behind the ears. Okay, now second shampoo, we are getting the lather that you want. When I say lather, I mean like an overwhelming amount of suds. What does that tell you? Your scalp is clean. You got rid of the buildup and the oils and all that stuff on shampoo 1. Second shampoo, when there's an overwhelming amount of suds, you can hear it, you can feel it, you know you did the right thing, and that buildup is off of your hair. I have a little bit of shampoo left, I run it through the ends, but your main focus when shampooing is your scalp. Make sure you let it sit that second 2 minutes, shave your other leg, scrub a little more tile. You know, you can tell Alexa to set the timer, whatever it is. But guys, you're investing in a fantastic product line that will perform like nothing you've ever seen. Let it sit for the 2 minutes each time.
If your hair is really dirty, you might need an extra shampoo.
Yes.
I've had to have 3 shampoos. If you don't get that amazing lather on your last shampoo, you might need 1 more shampoo.
Yes, so that's okay. If you don't get this obnoxious lather on shampoo number 2, you might need to rinse really, really well and do 1 more shampoo, and you'll get that lather, and then you're good to go. You're good to go for another 3, 5, 6 days before shampooing again. Okay, so we got the good lather all over. I know the scalp is clean. And here we go in rinsing extremely well again. You don't want to leave any residual product on your scalp. There is nothing heavy and nothing greasy about Monat. If you have washed your hair, you got out of the shower, you blew it dry, and you feel like you have an oily area, like, oh, my hair doesn't feel that clean, you didn't get that lather. 99.9% of the time, that's the issue. They didn't get that overwhelming lather in the back, behind the ears, all over the head. So easy breezy, flip your head over in the shower, just get that good lather, and you are good to go. But there is nothing heavy about Monat. The products are really highly concentrated, so that's why it's important that you rinse well. Guys, our products do not have silicone in them. Silicone is that like waxy plastic feel. So when you are shampooing, you're not going to get that ooh la la slippery silky feel. You are going to get more of a clarifying feel. That's what you want. You don't want products that have silicone in them that's going to give you that feeling. That's just putting coating on your hair. Monat's going to remove that coating. So when you're shampooing, you're not going to have that like super slippery feel. You're going to have a more clarifying, squeaky, clean feel. That's important. Okay, at this point, we have a lot of incredible mask, okay? And at this point, that is when you would use one of these masks. You would do your shampoos, and then you would get a good dollop, right, of mask, and you would run that mid-shaft down. You don't need to rub the mask into your scalp. Middle of your hair down. This is my favorite time to use it. Our masks are usually once or twice a month, depending on how dry your hair is or what your hair needs. But it would be after the 2 shampoos, you would do your mask, put it throughout your ends, 5 to 7 minutes. So you can stay in the shower, leave it, jump out, or do a mask prior to getting in the shower, but let the mask sit, let the mask do its job. So if you have a mask and you're wondering which order you should do it in, I do it after my 2 shampoos, then I do the mask. Okay, next is conditioner. If you choose to do a mask, your hair is going to feel like butter after you're done with the mask. You still need to follow with a conditioner. The conditioner is going to seal your cuticle. These are our conditioners. This is how they work. You do not have to turn the whole lid off. Turn it until it clicks. You hear that little click? Flip it over, and you are going to use a little tiny quarter size, nickel size amount. Rub your hands together. Guys, conditioner goes mid-shaft down. You don't need to massage it into your scalp. So I take, when I have the majority of the conditioner on my hands, grab the middle of the hair and just run it through the ends of your hair. Guys, our product spread, a little goes a long way. Don't overuse the product, okay? Then when I have barely anything left on my hands, I just give it a little bit right up here up front and run it through your ends. Guys, you can leave the conditioner on for 1 to 2 minutes. The longer you leave the conditioner on, it's fine, but I leave the conditioner on for 1 to 2 minutes before I rinse it. So you've done your 2 shampoos, maybe you did a mask, maybe you didn't. Now you've got your conditioner, you run it through your ends, let it sit 1 to 2 minutes, and you want to rinse with cool water. Warm water opens up your hair cuticle, cold water seals everything in. So if you can do a final cold rinse, it's going to kind of lock in those products. So, final rinse, cooler water if you can. And guys, when I say rinse well, I know I've said it 9,000 times, but rinse well. Make sure there is no shampoo, no conditioner, no mask, nothing left in your hair, no product left in your hair. Rinse really well. Now you're going to get that silky, soft feeling. And we're almost done. Completely worth it, guys. You're investing in an amazing hair care line that we have never seen perform the way Monat performs. Healing hair that has been damaged chemically, heat, all the things, regrowing hair that's thinning for a gajillion different reasons, right? These products perform like nothing we have ever seen. So you are investing in your hair care product. Follow that routine. Do your 1 to in your 2 shampoos. Let it sit for that 2 minutes. Do your conditioner. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. You're going to be able to, the pH of your scalp is balanced. You're going to be able to go days between washing. Don't overuse the product. Don't keep adding more product. Use a little bit, it goes a long way. Get that really, emulsify your hands, get that really good lather on shampoo 2, possibly 3 if your hair's super oily, and let the products do their thing. Is that it?
Yeah.
I said it all. Thank you guys. See ya.
Bye.